What's going on, everyone? Welcome to A Few Minutes. So today I want to talk about the live streams that I do on this channel. My 2,000 subscribers, I hope to get there sometime. It may not happen, it may happen, I don't know. You never know what goes on in the YouTube world. So if I do hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be having a live feed where I'm going to just answer your questions. I like to try to keep things live. I want to do these live feeds because it makes it special. It makes it, the interaction is more unique because it's live and you could just chat with me if you guys want to. With that being said, whenever I hit those 2,000 subscribers, I do listen to my surveys, and a lot of people are saying weekends at 7 o'clock would be better for the live streams. I still look at those surveys, so I really appreciate you guys taking time to fill them out. So whenever I hit 2,000 subscribers, the Saturday is going to be whenever I go live. I know I said I was going to go live whenever I hit the 2,000 subscribers, but I'd rather have some type, just a small schedule, even if it's a few days. I'm going to go live on the Saturday after at 7 p.m. that I hit 2,000 subscribers. So hopefully I get there. So if you guys could keep sharing my channel and talking about my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.